And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dad? Talking about the lightning round, courtesy of starring Gary in Ohio. Gary!
Jim Cramer.
Yo.
How are you? Thank you for taking my call and your wonderful
My pleasure.
staff.
Oh, thank you.
You are the grand poobah of Wall Street.
Holy cow.
I'm just going to make this quick. I want to know if I should continue to hold or pull my hair out some more with CMS Energy.
Consumers Energy. I like Consumers Energy. I think it's fine. It's good. Mark Electric Power, I look a little more warming up again to separate. After that bad quarter, I'm coming back. Let's go to Danny in New York. Danny.
Booyah, Jim. This is Danny from Brooklyn, New York. Long-time listener, first-time caller.
I'm from Brooklyn,
Happy
New York.
Friday.
I love it. Happy Friday to you.
So I want to talk to you about Ramaco Resources.
Oh, man, you want to talk about coal, huh? Okay, look, the president likes coal. He likes nuclear. The president he doesn't like wind, and he doesn't like solar. Isn't that funny? All right, here's the deal. I think that coal, this stock has gone up so much. Please wait for a little bit of a pullback because the president may want coal, but the utilities don't. And that's, in the end, who burns the coal. Let's go to Scott in Florida. Scott.
Jimmy Chill. Love the show. Been watching you for over a decade now. Saw you out in Jackson Hole. Beautiful place. Incredible. Anyways, I'm calling about Accenture. And
all right, now, I got to tell you, Accenture's come down enough. It hit a 52-week low. I mean, how bad could it really be? It hit a 52-week low today. I don't think it's that bad. The only thing I would change is that when you put it in spell check, it always goes to CAN instead of ACN, but that's not really their fault. I think that at 18 times earnings, I'm willing to pull the trigger, Accenture, and that's the first time I've said that because I have really disliked this stock. Now we're going to go to Hector. Hector in Maryland. Hector.
A big booyah from the great state of Maryland. How you doing, Jim?
It's a fabulous state. It's really good there. And I'm doing well, thank you. What's going on?
Yes, I own stock in stock symbol OKTA, and I was wondering, should I hold?
I like Okta because I like identity management, but you know what? Palo Alto's got great identity management now that they're buying CyberArk. So I got to send you over to PANW. All right, let's go to Philip in New York. Philip.
Booyah, Jim. How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Great. Listen, I've been watching your show for 14 years since I was a kid, and just wanted to thank you for all the work you've done over the years.
Thank you, man. That was right about then. You were there when we started with FANG. Yeah, right here, FANG. All right, go ahead.
Listen, my question, with this week's rate cut and more likely coming, do you think falling mortgage rates finally send us to the moon with rocket companies?
Man, everyone's kind of, here's the problem, sir. Everyone's kind of done that trade. I would much rather see it be in Wells, which is resting here at 80. Divide it by 4 and call it a $20 stock. I just think what matters is that Wells is the one at this point that is spring-loaded. This one has already gone off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, including of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, which companies are best at using AI to boost their profits? Cramer is giving you his take on the current state of the AI revolution. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.